BSS OMNI Touch Panels are designed to adapt to the way people work, meet, and interact. Available in multiple sizes and form factors, OMNI Touch Panels bring flexible control and user interaction to every environment. At their heart are app personas, allowing each panel to transform its experience to your application. Use as an AV control panel, web app interface, room scheduler, Zoom Rooms controller, or customize with virtually any Android app. In a meeting room, panels become a powerful collaboration interface, bringing control and communication together. Outside the room, they provide elegant scheduling and occupancy management. Designed for unmatched installation flexibility with wall, glass, and VESA mounting. Convert to tabletop use with optional mounting accessories. Ultra-slim SL models are optimized for in-wall installations using standard single-gang electrical boxes. Programmable any-color side LEDs for status indication, branding, or just ambiance. Larger panels deliver a premium experience for reception, signage, and advanced room control applications. Integrated intelligence technologies include microphones, speakers, an HD camera, NFC, and proximity sensing. For the highest security applications, no COM models are available without communication hardware. All designed to meet enterprise security standards, and PoE Plus powered for easy connectivity. As part of the OMNI ecosystem, OMNI Touch Panels integrate seamlessly with AVX Suite for centralized configuration and management. AVX Suite management tools simplify deployment with mass configuration, updates, and monitoring across installations. More than a touch panel, they form part of the unified OMNI ecosystem for audio, video, and control. OMNI app-defined touch panels. One panel, multiple possibilities.